We are Rajkot based manufacturer of precision grinding machines. This company is almost 3 decades old. Formerly it was known as Solco Grinders. We are here at ENGIMACH. We are representing our 4 grinding machines. This is our angular grinding machines. Our range is starting from 450 up to 1500 mm, and it is available in straight and angular option. This is our hydraulic machines. We have full series of this also, up to 450 up to 1500 mm. This is basically used for a tool room purpose, and this machine is internal grinder, and this is suitable for bearing industries and general engineering purpose. We have one model with us. It is also available with automations in the bearing industries. This is our newly developed INEX series, which is hybrid grinder, ID and OD. We can do ID, OD and face at a single setup. It is a very rigid machine, and it can be used in various operations like general engineering, gears, automotive parts. These are two 4-axis CNC machine. Both wheels are individual slides.